May request nga itong sina LeBron James at Kawhi Leonard sa NBA patungkol nga sa All-Star Game format. Pero bago natin pag-usapan yan ay bigyang pansin muna natin ang this year's All-Star Game. Well, surprisingly, maraming ang natuwa sa nangyari sa laban nang dahil nga naging very competitive ito kahit papano. At inumpisan nga yan ni Wemby na sinundan neto ni Anthony Edwards. And well, kakaiba ang format in the NBA All-Star Game ngayong taong ito nang dahil hindi ito yung normal na 4 quarters tapos USA versus World nga rin. At well, nagresulta nga ito ng maganda nang dahil naging very competitive nga ang mga players nang dahil much shorter ito ngang All-Star Game kung saan naging isang quarter nga lang ito, 12-minute basketball game na talagang laglagan. Kaya naman naging seryoso din ang ilang mga NBA players. Pero may mga gusto ang NBA player na makita muli maibalik sa All-Star Game na inumpisahan neto ni Donovan Mitchell after the game kung saan gusto niya nga daw talaga personally ang East versus West. Pakinggan natin.
About the format, to me, it's more just about that level, right? And I think that was just the level of play we wanted. I'm not really tripping on any format. Just go out there and hoop amongst the best. I do personally like East and West, but like if it's this, it's fine. If it's not, it's not. I'm not really,
Sumunod naman dyan na itong si Kawhi Leonard na kung saan ni-recognize niya muna na maganda naman daw itong new format ng NBA sa All-Star Game. Pero sinabi niya, I still think going back to East and West will be great. I think guys will compete still. Pakinggan natin si Kawhi.
How do you think it played out, especially with you going for 31 in that game?
I think it was good. Didn't really figure it out till we got here, and even as the game is going on, trying to figure out the records from being 2-1, and how you play that out as well. Is it like by points, how many a point spread or what? But I thought it was good, but I still think going back to East West will be great, and I think guys will compete still.
At ganun din naman ang naging salubin ni LeBron James kung saan gusto niya nga daw talaga ang East and West format sa All-Star Game. Pakinggan natin ang sinabi ni LeBron James.
No. No. I mean, East West is definitely, it's a tradition. It's been really good. I mean, obviously, I like the East and West format, but I mean, they're trying something. We'll see what happens. But I mean, it's like the U.S. versus the world. The world is gigantic over the U.S. So I'm just trying to figure out how that makes sense. But I don't want to dive too much into that. All right, yeah, East West is great. We'll see what happens with this.
And wala actually hindi nga lang silang tatlong may gusto ng East and West format in the All-Star Game, pati na rin ang ibang mga NBA players. Pati nga ang marami sa mga fans ay gusto nila na bumalik na lang sa classic na All-Star Game, kagaya ng nakagawian nga in the NBA for the longest time. Pero meron nga silang pagbabago na gustong gawin na imbis nga daw na 12-minute quarter ay gawin na lang daw na target score, kagaya na lamang noong 2022 All-Star Game na naging very competitive yung laban nga iyon. So ang request neto mga NBA players pati na rin ng mga NBA fans ay balik sa East and West tapos hindi 12-minute quarter kung hindi may target score na lamang para manatiling competitive etong ang ganitong klaseng exhibition games. Anyways, kung kayo ba ang tatanungin ano sa tingin nyo ang magandang format dito nga sa All-Star Game para manatiling competitive at maging mas entertaining para nga sa mga fans, komento nyo lamang ang inyong mga opinion sa ating comment section.